Bloody madness. Alright, just a little stoppy place. Oh, they're out for a shoot. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're shooting a hill. Yeah, the toffs. Oh, they do that. You come all the way from England, you come out of Scotland, we're going to go shooting. So, what do we do? We'll go out in our fancy Land Rovers and our tweed boots and stuff and our flat caps, and then we'll go out there, and what we do, we're going to shoot some poor grouse and make ourselves feel like men. We feel like men shooting small little animals. Waving. There we go, look. Listen to that. They're all on top of the hill there, look. I don't know if you can see them, they're waving a flag about, look, waving a flag about, waving a flag about. Yeah. And there they all are, the arseholes, all shooting grouse. Yeah, so that's us on the way home, T4. We're sort of between Perth and Inverness now. There they go again, look. Now, please tell me this, are they waving their flags about to say, oh, man down, you've missed and you've just shot George? But they're all up on that bloody hill, look. There they all are, look. The arseholes on their own Land Rovers and motors. There's the main train track to Inverness, and it goes all the way down to Perth. I just stopped for a bite to eat. The weather's getting a bit wet. That bloody door's still driving me mad. Potholes. I'm hoping it's going to hang on. Good old cable ties are holding it together. But yeah, keep it locked. Yeah, I just stopped to get something to eat and have my coffee. Oh, there you go, look. Oh, you fucking wankers! Can't you do something fucking better than shooting poor fucking grouse? Sorry about the language, it just upsets me, you know. They call it sport. Not very good if you're a grouse. Oh look, someone down there waving. What the hell's going on here? Look, they're all over the hill. The snobs, the toffs, come all this way just to go and shoot animals. Look, these cars weren't so bad. Hey! There we go, look. Blasting away. Why can't I? Oh, it winds me up. I'm going to go. Bye.